Hello explorers, and welcome back to another travel packing video. This time it will be featuring a checked-in piece of luggage along with a carry-on, and it will be featuring Jollying, the 30-inch Pebble Trunk case. So I'm very excited to show you because both suitcases kind of fit into each other. They're a nesting type of deal, and so that saves a lot of space. This is also our second time collaborating with Jollying, so very excited to show you. But this trip will be featuring a few days in California, a few days in Nevada. So we're gonna be going back home to the Bay Area and doing a few days on the front end and the back end, while in the middle visiting Vegas as well. It's gonna be quite hot. We're at the end of May, so the weather is gonna be high 80s, low 90s, especially in Vegas. And so we're gonna be packing for that weather specifically. A lot of swimming, a lot of nice events. So I'll be showing you what we're packing. Let's get started. This is the 30-inch travel suitcase from Jollying. This is the Pebble series as well, but this is the trunk case. So this actually fits the 20-inch, which I'm about to show you right now. This is the 20-inch, just for size reference. Now you can see them side by side. They are matching in color, so we really wanted that really nice colorway to be matching. Kind of like this accordion foldable design from the 20-inch into the 30-inch as well. So as you can see here, we're opening it up, brand new suitcase. It features compression straps, of course, and right here is how we're going to be lining up these buttons and these clips on the side to be able to expand this into the full trunk space. Storage pockets right over here, including this one, which is like a nice plastic one right over here in case you want to put toiletry kits or things that may drip. It is incredibly spacious. It's a very deep trunk. And I like this panel over here because it's a separator. It acts as a separator. But as you can see, it's on these fasteners and it just slides up and down depending on what you want to put inside. This will adjust to the level of your clothing and just kind of sit on top of that level. If it's full all the way, it'll be sitting at the highest level. The 20-inch carry-on fits in the 30-inch trunk check-in bag. This is gonna be fun. Collapsed, of course, and this is as if you're going to be storing it wherever you're going. Unbelievable. Both suitcases nest into each other, and it's perfect for storage, especially if you live in a home with limited space or a small apartment. And you can really slide it and fit it anywhere, underneath the couch, underneath a table, in a small crevice. It really works. Let me show you what I have here first. So I have one pair of linen pants. These are really comfy, very lightweight and breathable, so they keep me nice and cool. Then we have a pair of kind of brown beige khaki shorts. They reach, about 2 to 3 inches above the knees, so it's a really good, modest length, and they match with everything, of course. Note that I will also have these white shorts with me, which I will be wearing on the flight. So I have 3 bottoms total, so I can mix and match. I also am going to be bringing 2 dresses. One is a beautiful linen dress. I really like this one because it's really, really pretty, and it's like a V-neck. It has straps on the sides to be able to cinch in and pockets too. So really love this. This was a good find, and I wish I remember where I got it from, but this is a really good one. Whenever you find linen, make sure you get it. I also have a spaghetti strap dress that I'll be bringing too. It packs very small. I love when dresses pack small, then I'm able to take them on trips. And it's just a really nice midi length. It also has pockets and it has buttons right there too. So I'll be bringing this with me. That way, in case we go to some nicer events or some nice dinners. We also have a long sleeve, very breezy cotton shirt. I think it's a cotton linen blend, and it is striped white and blue. This is also a good cover up
in case you want to go to the pool or something. A white blouse that I've been fond of for many, many years. And I bring this with me pretty much everywhere. It's just really nice, very lightweight and basic. It has puffy sleeves as well. I also have this polka dot navy. I am a big fan of navy and blue, dark blue, especially dark blue. It goes well with my skin tone. It's like a drapey type of V-neck top. Well, more of a drape really, but it goes well with, you know, all of these neutral colors really, especially for the bottoms. And I have my pajamas, which is a linen pajama set. It's also navy, but it's shorts and a shirt. And of course, I've got a swimsuit. I'm only gonna bring one this time around just because we won't be doing that many pool days, but I just always bring a swimsuit traveling. And I really love this one because I'll be linking everything down below, of course. It is kind of like a nice skirt, and you can always, you know, roll it down if you need to. I think it's Albion. And it's really comfortable, especially if you want more of a modest swimsuit, and very easy to move around with. I love the top because you can always put the straps down or up to you. And it's just really, really pretty. I'm very fond of this swimsuit. And I will be spending most of my time in sandals like this. But I will be bringing sneakers, of course, which I always wear on the plane, and just 2 pairs of socks because I'll be spending most of my time in sandals since it'll be so hot. And I will also be having two bras and 4 pairs of underwear plus the one I'll be wearing on the plane, just because I will be doing some laundry as well. So all of these items will get washed. They're very easy to maintain. This is my packing cube where I will be storing all of my clothes in just one single packing cube. And I've got my toiletry kit. I can't remember if I've already posted a toiletry kit video, but if not, I'm gonna be checking my videos because it's been quite a while. Sorry for the long time between updates, but now I'm feeling a lot better. If I have not posted a toiletry kit video, I will be posting one immediately as soon as I can, just because a lot of people have been asking me what's in this tiny toiletry kit. And here is my makeup bag. I definitely have a video on what I packed in my makeup bag, but maybe I'll do a more updated one because it's so cute. So this is everything I'm packing for 10 days. Let's start putting it into the packing cube. This is an expandable, and it also has that compression part of the packing cube, which I really love, and it's very useful for trips where you might need a little more space or compression at the beginning or the end of your trip. So this is the full width of it, and it compresses really nicely. That's why it's a double zipper system. The bottoms over here, putting in the linen pants. And if you see, there's a little bit of space right here is where I'll be putting the underwear. I like to put it at the bottom, so in case I need to open it last minute, everything doesn't just spill out, of course. So there we go. I have a system to how I like to pack because it just works really, really well. It always has for me. But I always do underwear and socks at the bottom along with the bottoms I'll be bringing on the trip. Then I'll be packing in the dresses. I love wearing dresses on trips just because I feel like it's a full outfit on its own. Okay. Then I will be packing the pajamas and the swimsuit. Now it's starting to look a little bit full, but trust me, there's still a lot of space. And remember, I'm only bringing one packing cube for a total of 10 days, plus my airport outfit as well. And I will be doing laundry definitely once. We'll see if twice, but definitely once. So if I can do it, you can do it as well. Now I'll be packing up the tops. Got my polka dot, oh no, this one fell out. I got my polka dot top right here, the square one, the grid, and the stripe. I have all the patterns right now. So this packing cube looks quite full, but I'm gonna show you the special compression that does really, really well. Let's put it down for one moment. It closes up really nicely. So I could leave it just like that, and as you can see, that is the width of the full uncompressed packing cube, but I'm going to be compressing it even more. So here is the second zipper. That way you can just save a little bit of space, even though we might not need to save a lot of space this time around because we're going to be taking a carry-on suitcase where all of us will be packing our stuff in one single carry-on suitcase. And that is it. This is the most compressed version of everything I packed in 10 days in one single packing cube. So all I have is one packing cube, makeup bag, toiletry kit, and one extra pair of sandals as my shoes, since I'll be taking sneakers as well, and counting the airport outfit I will be wearing, which will most likely be what I'm wearing right now. We usually travel in a backpack, and this easily just fits in a backpack all for myself. So let's go ahead and see how much space there is in our check-in. So I'm just wanting to show you the major capacity in this trunk check-in. It's ginormous, and yes, my daughter does fit in here. So I will be putting in my packing cube, and it barely takes up any space, like at all. It's ginormous. And of course, I'll be putting in my sandals, which I usually put them in a baggie. I always forget to show you in a video, but yes, I usually do pack them in a little bag before I put them in, and toiletry kit at the top, plus the makeup bag. And there's still so much space for my toddler's items, her packing cube, anything we need to pack for her, and my husband. So this is an amazing family suitcase. I definitely recommend it. You can always get the carry-on as well for very short trips or for 1 or 2 people. But for a family, this is amazing. It's perfect, and it collapses. Fits into every single space. Thank you so much, explorers, for joining me on another travel packing video. I hope you had a good time just checking out what I'll be packing for 10 days in California and Nevada, and especially in hot weather. I hope that inspires you during these summer travels or during international hot weather travels as well, to pack lightly, efficiently, but also comfortably. So hope to see you soon on another travel packing video. Thank you so much to Jolling for providing their amazing Pebble series of suitcases and travel accessories. Can't wait for the next video, and I'll see you soon. Bye, explorers.